Tonight's activity is cooking a Mexican dinner with beans, tortillas, guacamole, and homemade sauce. Then savor this delicious meal in a cozy, artsy space. As you enjoy the relaxed atmosphere, you may make a new friend or two. Are you interested? Well, come on back to the kitchen. Tonight, you are a chef alongside other volunteers. Let's get cooking. When the meal is ready, our host, Simret, welcomes the guests. He also explains where we are.
Presence Kulturlounge is a place where people can get together, experience different cultural activities, and engage in conversations and in good human encounters.
In the highly urbanized city of Frankfurt, Germany, this lounge offers a variety of activities from cooking and eating together to art exhibitions, film screenings, musical performances, and literature and poem readings that are followed by engaging group discussions.
And all these cultural activities are designed for people to come together, learn from each other, experience inspiration, and grow in their personal journeys.
Für mich ist so ein Stück Kultur.
For me, this is a taste of culture and music,
Was man nicht so
something
leicht
that we
überwunden
don't find
hat ja auch
easily in
so
this
einen Abend
manner.
gehabt, so, im ganz
Tonight,
kleinen
we even
Kreis,
had a small
also,
circle discussion.
muss man lange suchen.
I received flyer to opening from Presence Kulturlounge, and it was a fest with a concert. To be a part of the Kulturlounge is very important for me because I met always very interesting peoples from different cultures. I'm very happy to be part of them.
Presence Kulturlounge was inspired by conversations Simret had with friends. They often discussed life issues and the things they experienced in their own personal journeys. At times, these conversations happened over a meal or were sparked by a movie or book they read. With the support of the Adventist Church, Simret made this a regular gathering open to everyone, regardless of their racial or religious background.
When people come to Presence Kulturlounge, we communicate openly that this is a project of the Seventh-day Adventist Church, and they also hear from me that I'm a pastor and I run this place, and it is a chance or a good opportunity for us as a church to serve others, and many of the people who come here have never heard that the Seventh-day Adventist Church even exists.
In a context where people aren't attracted to religion or institutions, this urban center of influence provides a space for new experiences. Each event is carefully crafted to encourage the open and sincere exchange of ideas. Visitors come regularly to expand their perspectives and grow in new ways. Many Adventist centers of influence operate across the globe. They offer people an opportunity to reflect on life and find answers. Although each center's approach differs in each region, Adventist members seek creative ways to engage the people Christ came to love. Please pray for Seventh-day Adventist Urban Centers of Influence. And thank you for your support of Global Mission.